Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working in Windows 11. So there are 5 methods that you can try out to fix this issue. Method number 1 is just go to the start button, right click over it and click on settings option. And now in the left hand side just click on network and internet option. And now in the right hand side just click on advanced network settings option. Now you will see this option network reset. Just click on it. Now click on the reset now button. Click on the yes button. I will click on this no button as I am doing the video recording. After clicking on the yes button, just close this window and just restart your system. After restarting your system, just go to the panel in the taskbar. Select your Wi-Fi network that you use to connect to the internet. Enter its Wi-Fi password and then just connect to the internet. So this was method number 1. If method number 1 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 2. Go to the search bar and now in the search bar just type CMD. Now just right click over the search result command prompt. Click on the option Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now you have to execute some commands. I will give these commands in the video description. You can copy it from there. So the first command is netsh int ip reset c:\reset log.txt. After this, just hit enter. Now the next command is netsh winsock reset. After this, just hit enter. Now the last command is ipconfig /flush DNS. After this, just hit enter. Now just type exit and hit enter. After this, just restart your system and just check whether your issue is resolved or not. So this was method number 2. If method number 2 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 3. Go to the search bar and now in the search bar just type services. Click on the search result services. And now in this list of services, just search for WLAN autoconfig. So here it is, WLAN autoconfig. Just right click over it and click on properties option. Now just change the startup type from manual to automatic. And if the service status is stop in your system, then just click on the start button to start the service. Click on the apply button and click on OK button. Now close this window and just check whether your issue is resolved or not. So this was method number 3. If method number 3 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 4. Go to the start button, right click over it and click on the option device manager. Now just expand this network adapters. And now just select Intel Wireless AC 9560. So the name may be different in your system, like it may be Realtek or something else, but it will have this wireless written in its name. So just select the wireless driver, right click over it and click on the option Update Driver. Click on this second option Browse my computer for drivers. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And just select this first one, Intel Wireless AC 9560 Intel, and click on the next button. Click on the close button. And now just check whether your issue is resolved or not. So this was method number 4. If method number 4 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 5. Again click on the wireless driver, right click over it and click on the option uninstall device. just click on this uninstall button. Do not check this option. Just click on uninstall button. After this, just close this window and just restart your system. After restarting the system, it will automatically install the Wi-Fi driver that we have just now uninstalled, and you don't have to do anything. You just have to check whether your issue is resolved or not. If in case the Wi-Fi driver doesn't get installed automatically, then just come to this device manager, click on any of these devices, then just go to the action menu and click on the option scan for hardware changes. And after this, it will automatically install the Wi-Fi driver. So these were the 5 methods that you can try out to fix the issue Wi-Fi not working on Windows 11. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.